Dust this bit out then. Now let the fun commence. Yep. Stop the records. There we go. Hole cut now in the van. Ready for the diesel heater. There you go. Diesel heater control unit up there. The fuel tank temporarily fixed. The filter, the pump clicking away, and the diesel heater running, operational, and it's getting warmer. Yep, it's snowing, and we're in the van, aren't we, Obi? I'm pleased that yesterday I got the diesel heater working. I got it set on automatic mode. It's currently 17 degrees in the van, and I got it set to 18. So when it hits 18, I think it should start to power down. I have put up some temporary curtains just to keep the heat in the main area of the van while I continue to work, because it was a bit too cold for the adhesives and sealants to work when it was -2, but it's definitely a lot warmer in the van now. The tank's just temporarily fixed there. That's going to be changed very soon, so hopefully I can continue to stick up some insulation. So we're at 17 degrees inside in the van. I believe when it hits 18, we should see it start to power down to just maintain the temperature. Let's wait and see. It's starting to flick now between 17 and 18. Will we see it start ramping down? I don't know why I use the word ramping. It should just be powering itself down. It looks like we've got a steady 18 now. So is it going to reduce? Reducing yet. Well, I think I'll stop it here and see if it give it a few minutes and see if it does start to reduce. Looking steady around 19 now. Is it going to reduce? Is automatic mode worth it? Or does it just use too much diesel? I better manually adjusting the temperature and the power settings to get maintain the temperature that we require. If you know have got experience, please leave a comment, and of course like and share. Subscribe even if you want to see more content of our van build. It's not a how-to video at all. It is just what we've done and how we're doing it, not necessarily showing how we're doing it, just what we've done. There we go, and it's just reduced by a bar. So we're now reduced one of the red bars. So yeah, I think it's definitely working. Let's see if it maintains 18 degrees. I'll come back in a bit. We're still at 19 degrees, and it's just dropped another bar now, so the red bars have gone and we're just on 4 blue bars. I'll keep it running for a bit longer and see what it drops to maintain the temperature. So we're down to 3 blue bars now. The speed of the fan and the pump has definitely decreased. We're still maintaining 19 degrees, so it seems to be doing its job. But it's still going down, and we've now dropped down to 2 bars, and we're still maintaining 19 degrees inside the van. And it's snowing outside. I've got my little curtain up to keep some of the heat from going out through the windscreen of the cab. Lots of snow. Sleeping happy hot dog, well, warm dog, and diesel heater's doing its job nicely. So far so good. There you go, a really slow tick now. Still at 19 degrees and we're down to 1 bar, so it's running on its lowest and it's maintaining 19 degrees in here. So all is good. I'm going to carry on with a bit of the insulating work. And I'll keep this running to keep myself nice and warm. Temperature's now dropping between 19 and 18. So in time, will it work it out and start increasing the power? Let's see how good a job it does. We're looking more to be on 18 now than we are 19, so I'm guessing when it drops to 17 it should start increasing itself. Watch this space. Well, there you go, as expected, the inside temperature's dropped to 17 and the diesel heater's cranked it up another level, so we've got 2 bars showing, and let's see how long it takes to get it back up to 18. So it's all working good. Very pleased with it. That's it. Cheers. And diesel heater in and working. Did that yesterday, didn't we, OB, eh? So we've been doing some insulation today, stuck to the ceiling around this window underneath. A bit more over here, and started at the back part as well. And that's it for the weekend. See ya. There you go, diesel heater in and working. Did that yesterday. Thanks, Obi. We'll start again. Well, quick update. Got the diesel heater in yesterday. Oh, yeah, we know you were there, Obi. Yeah, it's all right. It's all right, Obi. It's me talking. You're all right.